Welcome back to TheGridHunters, your go-to channel for crypto education. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Solana, a crypto token that's making waves in the blockchain space. So, if you're new to the crypto world or looking to expand your knowledge, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to join our Discord community to keep up with the latest news and trends. Additionally, you'll be able to communicate and chat directly with us and our fellow members of TheGridHunters. Alright, let's get started. First off, let's answer the fundamental question. What is Solana? Simply put, Solana is a digital currency that allows you to access a network of computers. These computers run programs and store data for various purposes. With Solana, you can pay for using these programs and data, create your own applications, and even support the network itself. But what sets Solana apart from other digital currencies? Solana is different because it uses an innovative approach to organizing and verifying information on the network. This makes it incredibly fast and cost-effective to use. Unlike many other blockchains, Solana can process over 50,000 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest options out there. And the best part? The fees are incredibly low, less than 1 cent per transaction. That means accessibility for everyone. Now that we know what Solana is, let's explore how it's making a real impact in the world. Solana addresses several key challenges that exist in the blockchain and online service space. Let's take a look at some of these challenges and how Solana solves them. Firstly, slow transactions. Many blockchains struggle with limited processing speeds, resulting in delays and unreliability. But not Solana. With its impressive speed of over 50,000 transactions per second, Solana ensures smooth and efficient transactions, whether you're sending money, using applications, or accessing data. Next, high fees. We've all experienced frustration of paying hefty fees for transactions or smart contracts. Solana changes the game with its incredibly low fees. For less than 1 cent per transaction, you can enjoy the benefits of a secure and cost-effective network. Scalability is another major challenge in the blockchain world. Many networks struggle to handle a large number of users and transactions, leading congestion and instability. But Solana can scale to millions of users and transactions without compromising speed or security. It's built to accommodate growth and innovation. And let's not forget about innovation. Solana opens up a world of possibilities with its support for decentralized finance, decentralized applications, non-fungible tokens, and digital ownership. It's a playground for developers and users alike. Now you might be wondering how Solana stacks up against other tokens, particularly Ethereum. While both have their strengths, Solana brings some unique advantages to the table. Let's compare. Speed is one of the key differentiators between Solana and Ethereum. Solana can process over 50,000 transactions per second, while Ethereum lags behind with about 15 transactions per second. If you're looking for a network that can handle high throughput and low latency, Solana is the way to go. Fees also play a crucial role in choosing the right network. Solana offers incredibly low fees, less than 1 cent per transaction, while Ethereum fees can be quite high and unpredictable. If you want affordable and predictable costs, Solana is the winner. Scalability is another area where Solana shines. It can effortlessly scale to millions of users and transactions without compromising speed or security. Ethereum, on the other hand, faces scalability challenges that limits its performance. Solana is all about growth and innovations. Experience is another factor to consider. While Ethereum has been around since 2014 and boasts a large and mature developer community, Solana is newer and rapidly growing. Ethereum offers a wide range of applications and services, but Solana is catching up fast. Finally, let's address the question on every investor's mind. Why is Solana a good investment? Solana has forged partnerships with various projects and platforms, solidifying its position as a promising investment. Let's take a look at some notable partnerships. First up, Audius, a community-owned music streaming platform. Audius chose Solana as its scaling solution to meet the demands of its rapidly growing user base. Solana ensures seamless transactions, metadata storage, and content hosting for Audius's over 800,000 monthly active users. Next we have Tether, the largest stablecoin, also recognizes the potential of Solana. Tether has partnered with Solana to bring its USDT token to the Solana blockchain. This partnership opens up numerous possibilities within the Solana ecosystem, from transaction payments to lending and trading. Last but not least, Chainlink, the renowned decentralized Oracle network. Chainlink joined forces with Solana to bring its reliable data feeds to the Solana blockchain. With Chainlink on Solana, users can access real-time market data, weather data, and much more. These partnerships demonstrate the growing interest and trust in Solana's capabilities, making it an attractive investment opportunity for those looking to dive into the crypto world. And there you have it, guys, a comprehensive introduction to Solana, its unique features, and why it's a fantastic investment option. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the TheGridHunters for more crypto education, and join our thriving community. Remember, the future of finance is here, and it's powered by Solana. See you in the next video. Remember that the TheGridHunters is not a financial advisory service. If you're trading or investing in any kind of cryptocurrency, please consult with a financial advisor before you start trading.